Hi, I'm Chad Wunderlich with Viking Pump, and this is part 2 of our 5-part series on seals. Now last time I had discussed packing, a common and simple seal for rotary pumps. But packing must weep or leak for lubrication. So is there a seal for high viscosity applications that doesn't have to weep? Yes, there is. Today I'm going to be talking about Viking Pump's O-Pro seals. You're watching the Pump Report. Leveraging over a century of pump and seal experience, Viking Pump set out to develop a seal for high viscosity service without the leakage associated with packing. Months of design work and testing went into the development of a new type of seal. Named O-Pro, this seal consists of a pair of dynamic O-rings with a lubricant barrier to prevent leakage. Like packing, this seal has no upper viscosity limit, but it eliminates many of the problems associated with packing. Starting with the chocolate industry, success came quickly. From there, customers found success using O-Pro seals for improved sealing of molasses, wax, corn syrup, starch adhesive, asphalt, polyurethane, and more. Today, Viking Pump has a variety of O-Pro seal designs to suit our wide range of pumps and an even wider range of applications. This new seal type has been successfully retrofitted into packed pumps all over the world. O-Pro is a great high viscosity seal and a good consideration for upgrading problematic pack pumps. But what if the pump is too small or you're handling a thin liquid? Next, we'll be talking about lip seals. To learn more about O-Pro seals or to view other pump reports, please visit our website at vikingpump.com.